Hi, in this video, we're going to have a look at the product law of logarithms, which tells us that the logarithm of the product of two values is equivalent to the sum of the logarithms of those values. In the general case, we can represent it using this rule. Log base b of m times n is equal to log base b of m plus log base b of n. For the first problem, we are asked to fully simplify. When you are told to fully simplify a logarithmic expression, you want to write it as a single logarithm. So in terms of the direction we're actually going in this direction because we are starting with a sum of logarithms and we're going to be moving this toward a single logarithm. What we're going to do is notice that it is a sum of logarithms, so we're going to take the product of those individual arguments. So that would give us log base b of 50. For number 2, we're being asked to fully expand. Fully expanding will be going in the opposite direction toward writing the single logarithm instead as a sum of logarithms. So looking at the pattern, you're going to get log base 3 of 2 plus log base 3 of x. We've now taken the log of the product and we've written this as a sum of two logarithms. Again, please notice that the base is consistent. If you're starting with base 3, every logarithm will have that same base. Finally, for number 3, we're being asked to write log of 20 as a sum of two logarithms. In order to write this as a sum of two logarithms, you want to think of, is there some way that we can write 20 as a product of two values? So there are many possibilities, in fact, infinitely many possibilities, but a nice simple one would be to say 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. So we're simply replacing 20 with something that is equivalent to 20, but written as a product. So 20, we can agree that 4 times 5 is 20. So we've maintained equivalence. At this point, we can now apply the product law of logs to expand this. Remember that the log of a product is equal to the sum of the individual logarithms. So that would be log 4 plus log 5. These are common logarithms because the base is not explicitly shown. So technically, these are base 10 logarithms. All right, thanks. See you in the next video.